Hello and welcome to my channel Easy Budget Eat and Lifestyle. Compliments of the season. I hope you're enjoying your holiday. So in today's video I'll be teaching us how to make coconut chinchin, perfect for the season. So if you're interested to learn how to do this, let's get started. Ingredients I have here: 1. Melted butter, liquid milk, baking powder, nutmeg, milk flavor, sugar, flour, 4 large eggs, vanilla flavor, salt, and coconut. So the first thing I'll do is to blend the coconut, then I'll be back. I am done blending the coconut. We are going to use it like this without sieving it. So let's start mixing the dough. So I transfer the flour into a bigger pot. What I'll do now is to incorporate the dried ingredients. The first on the list, milk flavor. Here I have nutmeg powder, baking powder. I'll add in my sugar. I've washed my hand properly. I'll mix everything together. I'll add salt. the coconut chinchin is ready. If you would like to try this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Once again, compliment of the season. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.